Just bust out everything to the and done, man. Bust out everything to the
Yeah,
and
just
done.
bring him down and done.
Bring down Rosa Akeem. Everybody, just bust out everything and done.
Put your hands up to the club. Go over where? For what reason? What you know? But up on my piece, you know, you see what I say? Like, me go hell and come back. I mean, a good state of mind where I want to keep that state of mind there. You go to there for 1 week for her birthday. That she say? Well, guess what? Anything what she say, she win. She's 100% right.
Okay, boom, people, it look like Figure It Out is done being fake. And he is calling out everybody that used to be in the Fantastic Four. But not gonna lie, and he's really taking it to Dyema. And she doesn't like it. And she is letting the world know, say, yo, the man over there said chat everybody from him brother Akeem down to Rosealee and no she. You know what I mean? Because him over there say play victim because him claims him did upon him deathbed. Right, because him to get like his tooth pulled or something like that. And he called all of his friends and his family and nobody in the fought upon him. Nobody in the fought upon him and not even Dyema. This man say check for him. And that's why him come out. And that's why she came out and say, yo, for your birthday, did forward and you didn't even spend a day or forward a mobile for come wish her happy birthday or blow her candle cake. You see man say one bag of sinting, you know, so I'm over there say I talk about what if they come out of the closet and let everybody know say him doodle up your wall and one bag of sinting, right? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People may always telling us that Figure It Out is fake, you know, and using Akeem for limelight business and funds. Cause like I said, Figure It Out brethren, them link me, you know what I mean, with the T and say Figure It Out can't keep up with Akeem lifestyle, right? Yeah, one bag of sentiment. So let's hear what Dyema deal with, and then we'll get into Figure It Out side of the story, don't it?
And when man Dyema go on here,
so you're gonna talk, you talk over, and don't talk it like say what you're
Rosalie, up here, everybody. She's 60 guys out.
Yeah, talk out. Yeah. Don't do that. Me got Bobby in my yard. You see the people and I say, hush. What you say? Hey, I want this a bumbo cloth and they add me. I want my problem. Come on for this, no man, and stop at my bumbo cloth like a puppy. Stop your mother and lick up. Now ramping me. That is so good and ramping me. Because for 2 and a bus there we go on at it. I don't know.
It's on Monday, right, Brooklyn? Guys, make we complete the live goal from morning. We are trying to get some doing out. Complete the live goal, guys.
Don't do that. Because if you say Dyema, jump high, me guy. Y'all me sleep, you call me out. Dyema go pay me this. Dyema go pay me that me broke my neck. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. I use that make a pass. When my birthday, I'm not see you. Then I use me 1 whole week straight.
Okay, Marie, thank you.
Don't chat for me. I tell you what say go look bad. They can tell me happy birthday when you come. Now I'm with me. I'm she's Kelly, I'm sorry.
I said them a live behind the scene and they must go over treat woman and not give them for her birthday. Okay, Marie, thank you. Cute.
The serious started.
Give me the bumbo clock one star.
Okay, Marie, thank you.
I'm in that ship home. Ease yourself, man.
You look like a serious signal going to the man figure it out.
Stop on.
Up on the road, she be on a beard, so.
Irish officer, yeah. Yeah, come. Yeah, come.
Just bust out everything to the and done, man. Bust out everything to the
Yeah,
and
just
done.
bring him down and done.
Bring down Rosa Akeem. Everybody, just bust out everything and
And now let's listen to Figure It Out side of the story.
Put your hands up to the club. Go over where? For what reason? What you know? But up on my piece, you know, you see what I say? Like, me go hell and come back. I mean, a good state of mind where I want to keep that state of mind there. You go to there for 1 week for her birthday. That she say? Well, guess what? Anything what she say, she win. She's 100% right. End of argument. You guys want to know how to finish an argument with a female fast and properly? Anything what she say, she tell the truth. That's it. You know, nothing more to say. She right, I'm wrong. Sure. Yo, but about my deathbed and chat, I don't see nobody. I don't see no friend. I don't see no family. I don't see nobody. None time. And you know that just show me, bro. That just show me say, yo, what? Stop look out for people, because people now look out for you. Me say me. If me, that boy, yeah, if you go out of my way, I help a friend, I help a family, God come for him planet and go back. You know how much call me make? You know how much message me send? And not one. And me look on it and me say, yo, you know you always do this to yourself. You always do it for people. And when you need somebody for dead for you, bro, nobody never did that for you. And you know why me take that situation as serious? Because I couldn't lose my life, literally. And my deathbed me did that part. You see me? You see if it was a little normal sickness and something when I could have brushed over, I would have said, alright then, yeah man. But I'm a deathbed, my death on. You see me? Me not really make them know say me I pray them and I'm just move normal like everything good. I guess not. Big up in a princess. But just move normal like everything good. You see me am not the type of person where I go, oh yeah, pussy. You never this, you never that. I don't have time for that. I just start move different. That's some mistake. Yeah, bro. I look on it, dog, and I say, Jano, nobody. Me the hospital and nobody. Leave a visit, leave a call, nobody. And while me there I recover, I'm me alone. You see me? While me there I get catch back my strength, I'm me alone. Me I make something for eat, I literally crawl upon the ground. Cause me nah no strength in my foot them same way. Crawl man, I crawl upon the ground and some style, bro. You see me? I said, Jano, dog. When people can't use it, it's a funny thing, you know, bro. The moment people say you start wise up and them can't get the energy to use again, you become an enemy to them. You see me? I did even sad, you know, I'm teaching you something, man, chat. You see, life is a learning process. You see me? Sometimes you give but you don't receive what you get, and that's okay. You see it? Always remember, say, so when you reach the next stage and you have to go higher heights, God will stay so bam and test you in every form of ways. You see who you expect for dead, now go dead. And that's good. And who you least expect it from, are them going to show up the most and willing for dead for you. You see me? So my advice to Uno, stop pushing real people, bro. You see people them who you want to care, and them always not going to give a fuck. And the people them who you not give much of your time, and what you not care about, are them people who would come and do the world for you. You see what I say? Yeah man, chat. The day when it happened, bro. No, I did the late night. I take up your phone and I call you fuck. I call every friend when I think I'm my friend. I call every family when I think I'm my family. And did they give a fuck? I mean, no smutty, you know, so I have to break it down in a syllables and tell you. If I can clean, I would be a man if I can cook, wash and clean. But I not wash no pan the river jars though, you know, I wash the G-string them if I have to, but big jars, I not wash that, you have to go wash that yourself. Yeah. I don't wash big party, baby, I just G-string up. Them look thing there, understand? Why? Because big jars not turn me on, so I go wash jars when I turn me on for. Big baggy don't turn me on, that not no buzz. Me not wash that. You could have sick little more. Me wash the G-string them, but me not wash that. Big baggy not turn me on, me not know about no. Big baggy not no buzz at all. Sorry, me not come after no woman in a chat where I wear big jazz right now, you know, but everybody have them preference and everybody have them type. He's just not a big jazz type of guy. You see what I say? So any man out there where you're a fool if you appreciate this look. No, you can't do that. Hold on, ladies. I gotta restart. May I restart one signal? That don't make no sense at all. Sometimes I don't have to use in the brain. So give thanks. Trust me. Only important, you just not know. Only important, man. You're wrong, come here, I tell you no. Only important. Bad. Team, power tap the screen for me there, please. Yeah, man, no absence. Now ask me about Dyema. Now, where is Dyema? Where is Dyema? Where is Dyema? Where is me? Where is me? Look like me have contract or papers with that. Don't ask me nothing about Shorty. Okay. Where is me? Come over here and see she literally a cuss enough to believe her story where she a tell you now. Cuss me see she a cuss enough to believe her now. To how much she want it out there. To how much she want it out there, me she over here. Come here, I'll add people in her box. Don't show me attack. So all if you come and try to convince me now, we not believe you. Whether you tell lie or not, you're not fit too enough. Whether a liar did I tell, whether a made up story, you're not fit too enough. I'm right, chat. She enough, man. You got teeth for like a one piece. You gotta keep it to yourself. We are company media, I tell you that for. You get a one young you down your road, down a young street, you know what you don't kill her. So what me if you come out now and say, yo, you know say me buck a look a big woman stairs out. Curve big and stairs out. Oh, me I gonna make you look right there, so I make you look like a punk. Certain things you have to hold down. So what me come over here and talk the 3, 4, 8 girl them man. Me gonna make you look soft. I can't make you think look shaky chargy. You don't think before you do things. You don't look so. Remember when we start, you know? Whether we are friend or not, you know? Remember we serious when we start, you know? Anything what we do, we have to hold it down. Can I make the other side look at where? You know what I'm looking at? Yeah, whether we done serious or not. We did done start here, we done build a foundation there and the empire there where all if your teeth are piece, man, you have to just keep it to yourself. Barely. Some things need to left in your dark, man, cause if me come over here and say me turn all my house in a club, 3, 4, 5, 10 girl. First thing I'm gonna do is screen a card it and time I hear that blup blup. Yeah, you know them look weird. I can't do that shorty. So even though me have to hide. Me have to hide and keep it down on the low. But I realize you're a bad girl. You don't want to hide, man. You want to make it known. Imagine, I give my teeth plug. You see me? Because I told boss clean my teeth, man. And you carry man got my teeth plug. Go clean in teeth and come on the internet. Me should have give my teeth plug then, man. Should I make you go find your own teeth plug? And bear in mind, the whole of them time I'm sick. And I crawl on the ground in my house. Sick, you know? I crawl on the ground in my house. You come at town, you know say dog. You're there at town, you know say dog. But you and the boy around there, you're afraid to say dog. Cause you love Jay so much for a while you're deep on a mission, the love what you have for Jay, you still have to hide it from Jay. Wow. While you're deep on a mission, you love what you have for Mob, you just have to hide it same way, not true? But it's like the youth now want you keep him in the dark. And the youth are pressure you. Because I know she staying. Is a girl where she's very secretive. You have to pressure if you want to hear things out there. So, I'm going to put myself in a youth shoes. My girl. So, I have feeling because I give all them bad joke there. And you not even talk about me. How? Are you there, pan? No, baby, I'm not that. If you want me to talk about you. Because when she around man, when she like, you know, her voice not rough, you know. It's soft and squeaky. Should I there, pan? No, baby. Yeah, not that, you know, me just... And the youth say, my girl, I want you. Man can't do a man a joke you so good and not even post, you know, and post, man, and talk about, man. And you're a celebrity, you're a superstar. Me want peace, I clout. I want you. I'm a do you work or me? Me want peace, I clout. My youth, I want you, man. My girl, watch you know. I don't come back to your place unless you talk about me, you know. Take up on my back and thing. Watch you know. Me a dig off. You see me? Next day come now. She a call. My girl not call my phone. You hear me tell her what to do. My youth, I want you, I want to. Because I know she going. I want you, stop that now. My girl, just go and be a business. Bloop. And she now don't know what to do. Alright. Click my live. Alright, so chat. Come, we're gonna talk things then. I see the youth behind her phone. She gonna talk about me now, I don't like you that, you know. I don't like you that. I can't bet on us I saw this scenario go. I don't like you that. I feel like a man fi have sense. I don't like fool man. Cause guess what going on? If you never name Dyema, and you never have a name, you would care if you talk about him or not. But you name Dyema, and the moment you click your live, I want 2,000-3,000 people up on it here, you know the dog feel like a general. But the dog is a general still. Man get block your fuck. Sassy, yeah what? I cocky me off in a brother. Want long with there? I want long with me off, bro. Where you compliment me for big man? I would me have a tiff up when I see woman. Leave me alone, sir. Thanks. As me I said, chat, power tap the screen for me, them team. Tell me about me get black. Like you love, man. Make you man then tell me that, man. Ciao. Chat, who not follow me yet, follow me page, please and thank you. How are them? I done them. I beg on a 9 Galaxy, please. Long time I not coming. 9 Galaxy for complete the live goal, ladies. Every single woman that can give me 1-1 where I ask you for 1-1. I know, say, to all me trust Dyema and believe her. Mother thing say, I'm busy, she did busy, I'm be for true. Mother thing say, I'm busy, she busy down there and I have business and a bag of thing I deal with like how she state, you know. You see me? Only if you know, say, your mouth so light, you could help but not for talk. And yeah, me a prayer deep. Me have a prayer. Cause you see, me reason you don't chat. You see if I did me, for example, me all in a three woman one time. That's how me do my thing, that's the madness that me like when me ready, you know. And you call me. I'm doing it when me sick and me drop down. Them pum there for wait. I drop me clothes and jump in and me car and gone. Cause you come first. You're my twin, whether me or they or not. You come first. So yeah, them girl are go vex with me, but I saw it go. Your help more important. You see what I say? I saw me look on things and pre-life in a chat. Guyanese, big up in my sister. So while fear back a broke, and me a call for help, your back a broke. And you just give me an excuse say you're busy. And you know how me know a true she attack? Me see she cook the fish and post if it true. Me see she cook the fish and post it. Listen to me. You see, even if she come over here and tell us a lie, and me fi tell you, me a gyalis, and me know twin. She not tell no lie. So if you don't want to believe her, you don't believe her. But she not tell no lie. But I realize that reputation for reputation. You know what I'm saying? Reputation for reputation. Like, I'm coming out of retirement. That was quick. I guess I'm coming out of retirement, chat. So I guess I'm on the market because I was so busy protecting my twin reputation, you know, keeping things on the low type shit. But I guess those days are over. She wants to be public now. So I think we should go public too, right? Is that the case? Talk to my people. I think we should go public too, right? What do you think? Me go? Me not just have one lighter. What? Yes, alright, good. Me go. Me just have one lighter and can't find it. Oh, public. Me not talk public with Dyema, you know. Me I talk public with myself. And me who do God bless me with. You look like Dyema, yeah. I know she pretty. Alright. All my single ladies, so put your hands up to the club. All my single ladies, put your hands up. Come on, put your hands up. Put your hands up, Dyema. Come out of my box. Me I look woman. Come out of my box. I am looking a girl. Me nah add you. Debs, thank you. And anyone of my moderator then add Dyema, me I go take on for a moderator.
Yeah, like I always said, people, I don't buy what the tea listers them is selling, so I'm glad figure it out and Dyema come confirm what we've been saying from the jump. The all of them fake. You know what I mean? I know, you know why I said Dyema really messed up when she messed with these guys, because she really lowered her standards. As you can see pictures with Dancehall, King Vibes Cartel, with all of these dancers that did up on stage with Cardi B, what they, you know, right? And that should have been Dyema, but as you can see, for the past couple months, Cartel follows me and things. So I'm saying all the nasty business she had deal with. Listen, my people. Also, do not forget to check out my next video. Then, say, click the link at the end of these screens or in the comment section, and it can take you to the rest of my videos on my channel. We're not going to long with this no longer, you see me? Bless.